Hey there guys, welcome to Caseheads football break number 109 of 2012 Panini Limited. So the last team that ended in the break was the Indianapolis Colts on May 10th at 8:02 p.m. Eastern Time. So go to current eBay date time. We'll do a refresh one more time. So current eBay date time is Friday, May 10th at 8:40 p.m. Pacific, and it's Friday, May 10th at 11:40 p.m. Eastern Time. So 20 minutes to midnight. So back to 109. And our serial number is 51342XX41069. So go over to our box. So 51342, then the two numbers are blocked right there. That's why there's X's, and 41069. So this is the last box of limited I got in my store. Then hoping I can get some other football products in. Like I got Totally Certified Football for tomorrow, and Dominion Hockey coming out of a new case for tomorrow. Then I talked to the distributor. He has National Treasures, but it's really expensive, so he's trying to put a package together for me, or I have to buy some other hockey stuff or something like that so I can get it a little cheaper. So we'll see how that goes next week. But on to tonight's break. 1069. Yeah, so good luck everybody. And hopefully it's another good box like last night's limited. Yeah, and here we go. Turn that over and bring our base cards to the front. Okay, and here we go. So we got Calvin Johnson Jr., 44 of 49, Silver Spectrum. Then we got for the Detroit Lions. Then we got Billy Sims for the Detroit Lions out of 349. Legends. We got Mark Sanchez base for the New York Jets, 399. Then we got Jake Locker for the Tennessee Titans, $3.99. Limited threads of Adrian Peterson for the Minnesota Vikings. Cards 89 of 99. Then we got Phenoms auto of Tim Benford for the Dallas Cowboys, 57 of 299. And our redemption is for rookie material Phenoms of Michael Floyd. I believe Floyd is Cardinals. I'll just double check that before I log off. Yeah, Arizona Cardinals, Michael Floyd. So whoever has the Cardinals, just let me. I can eBay message you the code if you like. So tomorrow, just Totally Certified Football and Dominion Hockey. Other than that, just have a great weekend, guys. Take care.